From afar, the desert appears to be an ocean of sand, dried bushes, and heat waves.
But with a closer look, it becomes apparent that it's home to numerous oddities and wonders. Hi, I'm Drew, and that's Bethany.
Today we're in search of the product of one man's act of faith.
It's a work of art, a legend, and it puts the idea that faith can move mountains into literal form.
It's the unique and truly incredible Salvation Mountain, coming up on Oddity Odysseys.
Well, this is the life, isn't it?
What?
Just wide open spaces, desert air. I love it.
What?
Why are you yelling?
As you can see, we're in the middle of nowhere in search of a mountain. So we're going out into the desert to a town called Relent.
What?
Reaching Salvation Mountain can be a little complicated and time-consuming. Today we're taking Route 86 south from the Indio-Coachella area. About 12 miles down, we'll turn left on 66th Avenue, and then right when that dead ends at Route 111. From there, it's another 43 miles around the Salton Sea to Nyland.
Once we reach Nyland, we'll turn left on Main Street and follow that through town. In about 3 miles, we should see our destination on the right. So we parked a little ways down the street today because we wanted to walk in and sort of get the whole picture because there's a lot to see here.
And of course, there is the huge backstory.
Right, Leonard Knight is the man who created Salvation Mountain because he wanted to create a tribute to God.
And I hear he had no previous experience as an artist.
Nope, just a thought in his head, an idea, and then whatever materials he had around him to build with, like sand, clay, any available paint in the area.
After 4 years of working around the clock in blazing heat, all while living on the site, Salvation Mountain collapsed. But the setback did not stop Leonard Knight.
I told God I'm going to stay here 1 week to make a little 8-foot monument 29 years ago, and I'm still here.
There it is. Should we climb to the top?
May as well see what the view is like up there.
I guess, you know, we came all this way.
True.
So this is the famed yellow brick road. It's very steep and not very even. And there are a lot of people up here.
Popular.
Good luck. Don't drop the camera.
Everybody wants to see the love.
Yep.
Something that's truly amazing about this place is that you can climb anywhere on the mountain as long as you stay on the yellow brick road.
Reference I'm sure you appreciate.
We're not in Kansas anymore.
That's true.
Oh, speaking of film, Salvation Mountain actually made an appearance in the 2007 film Into the Wild.
Interesting.
This is a little tricky.
Yeah.
There's so much color in the middle of the desert.
Yeah. It really stands out.
Yeah. The little bedroom.
Just for you. Oh yeah, this is cool.
But you can see why they tell people to not climb around, because while it's super pretty and awesome, it is fragile.
Yeah, and I'm sure in the elements that doesn't help either. Ooh, this is gonna be my bedroom.
Why do you get the bigger one?
It's not because it's bigger, it's because there's better art.
There's pictures all throughout here.
Yeah.
Built into the mountain, there's birds and Bible verses and people putting memorial tickets.
Yeah. Leonard definitely did a lot of work on this place. Oh, and here comes a dog.
So this is the other side. A lot more color.
Yeah, it's colorful over here too.
I feel like we're in a candy cane. What's that game called?
Candyland?
Candyland.
Yeah.
Or Willy Wonka.
It's a Jesus Candy Wonkaville. Oh look, a hole in the wall.
Oh.
Oh, hey. So it took Leonard a lot of trial and error to get this place to hold together. And the second time he built it, he used a mixture of adobe clay mixed with straw.
And paint. Lots and lots of paint.
A lot of paint. But yeah, there's just so much like wind and sand blowing around in this area. It can be a challenge to create something that'll hold together.
All throughout you see handmade signs.
Yeah.
But also like empty paint cans.
I noticed that too.
Like if they come in here, touch it up, and then just kind of leave it.
Yeah, the empty paint cans are almost kind of part of the art. Leonard Knight estimated that he used about 100,000 gallons of paint on this place.
And more is always needed for upkeep.
Yep, probably use 100,000 more gallons in the not too distant future.
Almost like in letting stuff, instead of letting stuff go to waste, they find uses for it here.
Yeah, nothing's wasted here. So many things I could climb if I was allowed to.
Don't do it. You get struck down by lightning. Don't do it. It doesn't look like it's this big when you're outside.
Right.
But there's this much to it.
Yeah.
I thought it was just a colorful mountain top. Turns out they got all the inside structure too. Look how high up that goes.
It's crazy. The floor is very uneven. I keep tripping. They should fix that.
Yeah, they'll get right on that.
Leonard Knight passed away in 2014, but a special service was held for him at the mountain he worked on for almost 30 years.
The 3 words, God is love, is painted near the top of the mountain, which is a powerful message, yet put into a form unlike any other in this world.
Salvation Mountain isn't going anywhere, so we strongly suggest that you come see it for yourself anytime you want, and bring a can of paint with you to donate.
As Madeleine L'Engle once said, some things have to be believed to be seen. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Yeah, there's always like lots of traffic in LA.
Yeah. Oh my gosh!
Oh, that. Did you just run over somebody?
A couple of children. Whatever.